This is the Genesis G90. Your Genesis G90 may be equipped with a voice recognition system that helps with the hands-free operation of various controls when driving the vehicle. Here are some best practices to get the most out of your voice recognition feature. Closing all windows and sunroof will keep the vehicle interior quiet and improve voice recognition by the computer. Since the microphone is positioned directly above the driver, proper posture is key to effectively getting your voice recognized. Know that special characters and symbols may not be recognized by the computer. To begin, start by pressing the voice recognition button on the steering wheel. After the audible beep, clearly say the desired voice command. The voice guidance can be canceled by pressing the voice recognition button again. To end the voice recognition, either hold down the button on the steering wheel or simply press exit on the screen. The volume of the voice recognition system can be adjusted with the volume button located on the steering wheel. The voice recognition commands are categorized in two groups: global commands and local commands. Global commands are commands that can be used anywhere, anytime while the vehicle is operating. Local commands are commands that can only be recognized when used with certain multimedia, navigation, and Bluetooth functions. For example, some local voice commands will only work when a USB, Bluetooth, or other devices are connected to the vehicle. To view the voice recognition commands list, refer to your Genesis G90 Owner's Manual. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your Owner's Manual.